Welcome to Trend Gadget Tech. Rocket big news for drone enthusiasts. DJI's 2025 drone lineup has been revealed, and it's packed with exciting innovations. Fire from next-gen camera drones to advanced AI-powered flight. What can we expect from DJI this year? Stick around as we break down all the latest leaks and details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Number 5 DJI Avida 3. Enhanced Camera System. Larger sensor. Building upon the Avida 2's 1/1.3 sensor, the Avida 3 is rumored to feature an even larger sensor, potentially improving low-light performance and dynamic range, higher resolution and frame rates. Speculations suggest capabilities of recording 4K video at higher frame rates, possibly up to 120 frames per second, allowing for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage. Improved flight performance, extended flight time. With advancements in battery technology, the Avida 3 might offer longer flight durations. Surpassing the Avida 2's 23-minute maximum, increased speed and agility, enhanced motors and aerodynamics could provide higher top speeds and more responsive controls, catering to both cinematic and high-speed FPV applications. Advanced safety features, comprehensive obstacle avoidance, an expanded array of sensors may enable 360-degree obstacle detection and avoidance, enhancing flight safety and improved return to home, RTH. Upgrades to the RTH function could offer more precise and reliable navigation back to the takeoff point. Plex environments, new FPV goggles and controllers. Upgraded FPV goggles. Rumors point to new goggles with higher resolution displays, reduced latency, and improved ergonomics for a more immersive flying experience. Enhanced motion controllers. The introduction of controllers with refined motion sensing and customizable inputs could provide pilots with greater control precision. Number 4 DJI Mini 4. Advanced features. Obstacle avoidance incorporates advanced sensors for enhanced safety during flight. AI capabilities, features AI-powered detection for humans, vehicles, and boats in real time. Ensures safe operations in environments with low GPS signals. Transmission range utilizes DJI's O4 Enterprise system, offering a transmission range of up to 15.5 miles with a 20 megabytes per second download bandwidth. Maximum flight time up to 49 minutes under optimal conditions. Both models are equipped with a laser range-finding module capable of measuring distances up to 1,800 meters, enhancing precision in various applications. Wide-angle camera, equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor delivering 48 MP resolution. Thermal imaging camera, provides thermal imaging capabilities for enhanced situational awareness. Number 3 DJI Mini 5 Pro. Enhanced flight performance. Extended flight time. Leaked information indicates a potential flight time of up to 50 minutes, surpassing the Mini 4 Pro's capabilities. This improvement would allow for longer sessions without frequent battery changes. Powerful, ventilated motors. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature more powerful motors with enhanced ventilation, potentially improving flight stability and performance, even in challenging conditions. Advanced obstacle avoidance. LiDAR sensors. Speculations point to the inclusion of LiDAR sensors for advanced obstacle detection and avoidance, enhancing flight safety and navigation precision. Additional features. Extended range. The drone may offer a transmission range of up to 25 kilometers, 15.5 miles, providing greater flexibility for capturing distant scenes. Advanced camera system. Larger sensor. Rumors suggest that the Mini 5 Pro may be equipped with a 1-inch camera sensor, a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. This enhancement could lead to improved image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Vertical shooting modes. An innovative gimbal design is speculated to allow for vertical shooting, catering specifically to social media content creators. This feature would enable capturing portrait-oriented videos and photos directly from the drone. Number 2 DJI Dock 3. Durable design for extreme environments. Weather resistance. With an IP56 rating, the Dock 3 is built to withstand harsh conditions, including dust and water exposure. It operates efficiently in temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable performance in diverse climates. Intelligent change detection. The Dock 3 is equipped with advanced analytical tools that monitor and detect changes in specific areas over time, facilitating proactive responses to environmental or structural alterations. Imaging features a 4 of 3 CMOS sensor with 20 MP effective pixels and a variable aperture ranging from f/2.8 to f/11, providing high-quality visual data. Security and surveillance provides continuous monitoring of sensitive areas, supporting perimeter security and intrusion detection with minimal human intervention. Emergency response. Rapid deployment capabilities make it invaluable for search and rescue operations, disaster assessment, and delivering real-time situational awareness to first responders. Number 1. DJI Flip. Control options. The DJI Flip offers versatile control methods to accommodate various user preferences. It supports palm takeoff, allowing for quick launches without the need for a remote controller. Intelligent flight modes. Incorporating DJI's suite of intelligent flight modes, the Flip enhances the creative possibilities for users. Pricing and availability. The DJI Flip is competitively priced, with the standard package starting at $439. Flight performance. The Flip boasts a flight time of up to 31 minutes on a single charge, providing ample duration for capturing extensive footage. Design and portability. The Flip's compact and foldable design enhances its portability, making it an ideal companion for travelers and content creators on the go. Camera capabilities. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, the DJI Flip captures 48-megapixel photos and records 4K video at 60 frames per second. Thanks for watching Trend Gadget Tech. Rocket, which DJI drone are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest tech updates. See you in the next one.